My mission is to promote learning to swim around the world. And since a large portion of my audience is from India, I decided to turn today to you. If you live in India and if you have friends or family in India, this video is for them. I've never personally been to India, but that's a country that is definitely on my list to go to promote and teach swimming at some point in the future. When I'm doing my research and gathering statistics from all around the world, I've noticed that India and Southeast Asia is amongst top geographies affected the most by tragedies in the water. But when I also watch tutorials and read through the comments on YouTube, I see a lot of people from India asking questions and clearly showing that among many other nationalities, they are at the top of those who want to learn to swim by themselves. What stands out to me is that clearly they like self-education and learning, but maybe they're lacking the resources or information, and maybe it's just not available where they live. So what I want to do is try something that I haven't seen done by anybody else on YouTube here, and basically gather information within the comments section where people will be able to share their common challenges, issues, and troubles, the realities of learning to swim in India, and maybe by exchanging thoughts and communicating through that comment section, maybe we'll be able to find some new ways of solving these issues and stumble on something that will make a breakthrough in this particular part of the world. My name is Alan Chi. I learned to swim at the age of 32 and it changed my life. And since then, I made it my mission to promote swimming, learning to swim, water safety, and prevent tragedies in the water around the world. This video is a part of a series where I will be inviting my audience from around the world to share the realities of learning to swim or teaching to swim in their country, and hopefully bringing and masterminding some solutions to every one of those. I believe in every country they will be having unique challenges, and when we exchange those ideas and solutions, maybe we'll be able to bring positive impact to each other. So what I would like to invite you to do is to share the reality of swimming in India. If you are learning to swim in India by yourself, please let us know what it is like where you live. How difficult it is or how easy it is to join a swimming pool, what kind of swimming pools you have within your area, how much it costs, and how much money relative to what you need to live on is being able to afford swimming lessons. If you can learn by yourself, let us know how and where you do that. What's the situation with lifeguards? Are they available? Do you have to learn in open water or in swimming pools? What kind of swimming pools are you learning at? Let us know how available the swimming teaching is in your city or in your village. What's the water quality? And what are the most unknown things that many people around the world don't have to deal with, but Indian people do? If you lived in India and other countries and happen to be swimming in different swimming pools, let us know how they compare against each other. If you're learning right now, let us know what exactly you're struggling with, so either I or somebody else in the comments can help you. I would like to also ask you about the quality of training for swimming teachers and resources available online, both in English and your language, and anything else I might not have thought of. My goal is to start a conversation here on YouTube and also gather some information that will maybe live somewhere on my website or some other place, which we'll be able to use in the future as a reference and a resource to improve everybody's chances of learning to swim quicker around the world, not just in India. We're going to start with India because, as I said, that's a big part of my audience, but we'll move on to other countries in the future. Treat this video as part 1 in the series, and hopefully it will be something well received and we'll be able to continue further along together again. To help me with this mission to save lives and promote learning to swim, share this with somebody that is trying to learn or already learned. If you have a member of family who is in swimming, teaching, or learning, if they live in India specifically, share this. Make sure to like the video too, to push it further out to all over the world, including India. And of course, subscribe to be notified when the next video comes out.